Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to start with the CREO parametric basic. So first of all, here we need to select a working directory. So select on a working directory and you can select here file or folder where you are going to save your projects, right? Suppose lesson 1 and OK it, or even though if you want to create a new folder, just click on new folder and name it and OK it. You can create. Now select any folder and OK it. So you can see here lesson 1 is saved as our working directory for now. As default it is documents. So now go for the new and here unselect this default template and name here sketching, what you are going to sketch, just name of it, and we are obviously going to go for the part and OK it. Here select template, here inches, millimeters all are there. So mmns part solid, it means that millimeter newton seconds part solid, and OK it. So now you can see here this is a datum planes. This is a front plane, this is a top datum plane, and this is a right datum plane. So you can select any of these datum plane and go for the sketch here itself, and also if you select this particular option sketch, you are going to enter to the sketch module right now. And also you can also direct select from the model tree, select on any of the datum plane and just sketch. This is a sketch view option, click on it. So this is a front view, right? You can zoom out, zoom in by using a scroll button, and after that this is a center line. uh, you can draw it as horizontal and vertical and also in inclined. So for unselect, just click on this select button. You can see here this center line option is unselected. Now we will go see this particular sketching tools, few sketching tools, and see this is a line, and in the line there are two line chain and line tangent. So first of all we will go with the line chain. Suppose if any of the sketching tool is selected, or any tool, so you can see the cursor is in the black color, right? If you unselect it, you can see cursor is in white color. So this is a line. Now you can select a scroll button or select on this select option to unselect the line option, right? You can see here this color is appeared here. It means that it is going to it is a totally closed body and it is going to be extruded. And the length of total is 300, right? And this is a 227. So if you use this equal constraint, this 300 line become see, just now this line and this line become the same 300, and also this line. Now you can see here constraints are applied as this line, all are equally constrained. Okay, if you OK it and if you go for extrude, it will going to become a 3D model or solid part. You can also give the symmetric extrude option, symmetric to this particular plane, and this is another extrude. This extrude will be going to occur up to any surface, edges, vertex, or plane, another plane, right? If there is another plane, another vertex of another body, right? If you select that particular vertex or another plane, so extruded part will be going to done at that particular vertex, plane, or okay. So right, so this is a surface. So in the surface you can see the thickness is, there is no thickness. In thickness there is another option, capped ends. It means that ends are going to be capped, right? See, if you can see what is the difference in CREO color between the solid and surface. So after you will click on this OK, you will see like this surface. But if you select the solid, then you can see the difference between the colors. This is a solid body and that is a surface body. See. Okay, so after that, in the solid you can add a thickness, hollow with thickness. See, here you can add thickness internally and externally. You can just adjust it. There is an option in the surface. There is an option of add taper. If you select on a taper and if you give suppose 10, you can see here. So this is another option, taper, right? So okay. So if you want to edit any dimensions, then just right click on it and go for the edit definition. You can adjust here extrude options, right? And if you go for the sketch, okay, here this is the option of you can see here there are number of options are there. uh, this is a shading and no hidden. This is no hidden. This is a hidden line. If any hidden lines are there, it will shown white frame. As this is just a triangle, that's why there is no that much of effect. So shading with this is while doing modeling, it is good. You can see edges are in the black color, right? Looking will be good. Okay, so you can delete it. So if you use delete segment, this is all going to be deleted. So another what I show you, see, there is a 3 circle, right? And another line option is line tangent. If you select this circle and another circle, it will automatically become a tangent to each circle lines, right? Now you can adjust the dimensions. Okay, suppose okay, suppose if there is a circle, if two circles are there, if you take a normal line, if you draw it, it will not going to be become a tangent, right? Suppose I draw like this. Now there is the option of tangent constraint. Select on this and select the line and this particular circle. to become a tangent. Okay, you can also do like this, but if you select this particular option, it will be easy or directly, no need for further operations or number of steps. Okay, rectangle, there are corner rectangle, slanted, center and parallelogram. So corner rectangle, so it will start from a corner, just give it the dimensions. So using center line, I need to symmetric to this particular center line, this rectangle. So select here symmetric constant and select these two edge pointed and select the center line, right? So before making a symmetric to this particular axis line, you need to draw a center line. Okay, now symmetric center line. This is a slanted rectangle. You can adjust your angle also, any dimensions what you required, you can adjust it. Center rectangle, it will start from the center. Parallelogram, you can draw so this is a center and point circle. So circle, you need to just select the center and draw a circle and give it the diameter and adjust the center. After that, this is a concentric. If you select the dia of circle, it will automatically going to create a number of circles. A 3-point circle, you need to select 3 points, 1, 2 and third point to draw a circle, right? This is a 3 tangent. It means that 1 tangent, 2 tangent and select any another body, suppose this third tangent, right? So you can draw like this third circle, 3 tangent circle. Control Z for undo redo. Okay, this is the arc. You can also select the line and press delete button. This is a concentric arc. You can, from this particular center, you can create number of arc like this. Center and end arc. So you need to select a center point and now you can draw the arc. Select, you can see here, and adjust the radius. So okay guys, we will see in the next video.